Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Special Sevens. Today we have our usual guests, Indra and Netra. Thank you for joining us today. And Meenakshi is going to host the show this week. And we are going to kick off this show with the food for thought or the question from last week. What is the spiciest, hottest chili in the world? Any guesses? The spiciest, hottest chili in the world is pepper X. Easy to remember, right? The second place goes to Carolina Reaper. How do you know that these are the spiciest chilies?
Someone's trying.
But it is relative, right? For example, a chili is very hot for you, but it's still okay for me. To measure how spicy a chili is, there is a special scale. It's called the Scoville Heat Scale. Scientist Wilbur Scoville, he separates the hot part or the chili and he mixes it with sugar solution until it neutralizes it, and then he has people testing it. So based on how much sugar he has to add to neutralize the power of the chili, that's how he rates the chili.
Oh.
For example, Carolina Reaper is on the top and it has a rating of about 2.2 million. Pepper X is not even in this scale, it is about 2.2 million. So the hottest, spiciest chili is Chili X, the second place goes to Carolina Reaper, and the way you measure the spiciness of a chili is the Scoville Heat Scale. Okay, over to Meenakshi for this week's topic.
So the topic of this week is natural wonders of the world. This is going to be in a quiz format. Let's go. I'm the tallest mountain in the world, standing out 8,849 meters above sea level. I'm in the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and Tibet. Many climbers attempt to reach my summit, but I am known for extreme weather and low oxygen levels. My first successful ascent was in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Who am I? Correct. That's Mount Everest. Brilliant. That's the tallest mountain there. Many people try to trek it, and it's the extreme weather that makes the difficult in the climbing. Let's go to the next slide. I'm a beautiful natural light show in the sky, glowing in shades of green, pink and purple. I'm also called Northern Lights and have a twin in the south called Aurora Australis. I happen when the charged particles from the sun interact with the Earth's atmosphere. People travel to places like Norway, Canada, and Alaska to see me on a dark, clear night.
Aurora.
That's correct. Aurora Borealis. So, next one. I'm a stunning natural bay in Brazil, surrounded by mountains and famous landmarks. I was created by erosion over millions of years, and I'm one of the largest natural harbor in the world. I have some of the most beautiful beaches in the world like Copacabana and Ipanema. Famous attractions like Sugarloaf Mountain and Christ the Redeemer overlook me. What am I?
I don't know.
Okay, any other? Do you have any?
Is it the Amazon?
No. The answer is the harbor of Rio de Janeiro, Guanara Bay. That's the national wonder. It's the Christ the Redeemer, and 2016 Olympics, when they held it in the Rio, they actually showed about this particular bay a lot. Okay, next one. I'm the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. I am located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, and I can even be seen from the space. I am home to thousands of marine creatures, including colorful corals, sea turtles, and clownfish. I face threats from climate change and pollution, but people are working hard to protect me.
I know what it is, but I forgot it.
What am I?
Mariana Trench?
No.
Great Coral Reef?
Yeah, the Great Barrier Reef. That's correct, Manan. Can you believe it? We can see it from the space. It's that huge. It spans up to 2,300 kilometers. humans, built by living corals, growing for millions of years. It's still growing. So it supports an entire ecosystem without any artificial intervention. We're gonna go to the next one. I'm a giant canyon in the United States, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. I'm one of the deepest and widest canyons in the world, stretching 446 kilometers long. People visit me for hiking, rafting, and to see my breathtaking views. I am in Arizona and one of the most famous natural wonders of the world.
Grand Canyon.
That's correct. Yes, Grand Canyon. Have you visited Grand Canyon, Madhu?
I've been there. It is so beautiful. We stayed there to watch the sunset. It was very, very good.
I did not have a chance yet. Hopefully, we'll go there one day in Tranithaya. The next one. I'm one of the largest waterfalls in the world, located in the border of Zimbabwe and Zambia. People call me the smoke that thunders because of my loud roaring sound and misty spray. The Zambezi River feeds me and my water plunges down from a height of 8 meters. Tourists visit me to see rainbows in my mist, go water rafting and take thrilling views from Devil's Pool. What am I? Any guess?
Victoria Falls, yeah.
Victoria Falls. This is between Zambia and Zimbabwe. It's in Africa. So there is nowhere in the world where you could see this long curtain of waterfalls happen. So the next one. I am one of the youngest volcanoes in the world, born in a Mexican farmer's field in 1943. I grew rapidly, reaching 424 meters feet in just 9 years before becoming dormant. I buried nearby villages under lava, but no human lives were lost. I am one of the 7 wonders of the world because people saw my birth and growth.
Yeah, I know about this. Like,
Really?
the volcano was underneath the farmer's home,
Yeah.
and he didn't know about it. And one day he was just working in the field, and then it just
Okay.
yeah. But I forgot the name.
Okay, it was in a cornfield.
I know about it, but
Uh-huh.
I don't know the name.
Okay, the name is Paricutin volcano. It's in Mexico. This one grew rapidly. Can you believe it? One day there was just plain land, the cornfield, and the next day it started erupting. There are many popular volcanoes, taller volcanoes, and many things, but then this one is a natural wonder just because how it got formed, and then it became dormant so the people could see the whole life of the volcano in this one.
That brings us to the end of the questions. Wonderful. That was very eye-opening for me, learning about the natural wonders. We have always spoken about man-made wonders, but it's good to know about the natural wonders as well.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you everyone for staying along, and till now we will end this episode with another question. Art makes you smart. So, who is the first recognized celebrity artist in the post-antiquity Western world, or starting from 1900s? Answer in the next episode. Until then, everyone, stay strong, keep painting. Meet you all again in another interesting topic. Thank you Indra and Netra for joining us today, and thank you Meenakshi for hosting. See you all. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.